Hello and welcome back. My name is Amulya and you are watching TubeMint. In this video, I'm going to show you how I reduced the page load of my website and being on the shared hosting plan. So basically, I'm using a shared hosting plan on Namecheap and I'm able to get this score from this score. So you can see I just had this pathetic performance score just few minutes ago, I think half an hour ago. So you can see it's 24:120 p.m. and I did some changes on my WordPress website and I'm able to get this score here. You can see why slow. This still can be optimized, but I think this is perfectly fine for this shared hosting plan website, I guess. So what I did, how did I speed up my website page load? These are few things that I did. Basically, I'm using Cloudflare as my CDN and I'm using cache plugin from Automatic, and I do not have a lot of themes installed. So if you have a lot of themes installed, make sure you remove them, delete them if you're not using them. So do not have a lot of themes installed if you're not using them. The other thing, use very less number of plugins. And when it comes to choosing themes, make sure you are using very latest theme. Okay, so I'm using 2020 theme. I'm definitely going to make some changes. I'm going to customize it a little bit, but this gives me speed, so I'm going to use a child theme of this 2020 theme and I'm going to customize it a little bit. So basically I want to beautify it, so that's it. And I'm using very less number of plugins. Okay, so you can see I've got just 4 plugins. I'm using the anti-spam from Automatic. I've got Cloudflare, a plugin for Cloudflare configuration, and I've got Google XML sitemap, and then Super Cache plugin. That's from Automatic. So that's all I have in plugins. So this is for spam comment filtering, and Cloudflare is for CDN and a few more things. So once you have Cloudflare plugin installed, you want to make sure you go to Cloudflare and add your website on Cloudflare platform. So that's basically cloudflare.com, and these are these settings that I have here. So let me go ahead and show you. Always on, that's turned on. I think, and then automatic HTTP SD rewrites. Okay, and if I go on home, you just have to click this, okay, and this is going to optimize it for you. Enable the cache management. So that's all I have. There are a lot of things you can do on cloudflare.com. So go ahead and add your website on Cloudflare and come back to your dashboard and install this plugin, and just you are done with the CDN and few other optimization that Cloudflare offers. The other thing I've got WP Super Cache by Automatic. That's the company behind this WordPress thing. Now I do not have a lot of custom optimization enabled here. You can see I've just turned on the cache. That's recommended as well. Enable the caching, simple, whatever is recommended by default I'm using. There are few custom, like only refresh current page when comment made. Okay, clear all cache files when page is published or updated. Cache rebuild, serve the super cache file to anonymous users while a file is being generated. disable caching for logged in visitors. That's recommended. Timer, nothing else. Okay, I can go ahead and accepted file names or rejected URLs. I'm not doing anything like myself. It's all basically default settings. These are all default settings. I'm not using CDN by offered by this plugin, but if you're not using Cloudflare, this is going to help you. So in case if you do not want to have Cloudflare plugin installed, you can use this WP Super Cache CDN, and that will do. But you will not get the same page load time with this CDN. I've already tested it. Nothing much. Debug. Okay, so I'm not sure what it is. Okay, here we go. So that's all I have. Okay, then what I did after making all the changes, I deleted the cache, refreshed the page, and reran this test. Let's go ahead and run it. So you can see it was loading at 1 second. The home page was loading at 1 second. So that's 2.7 seconds to 1 second load time, page load time. So this keeps changing, but it doesn't go. If you just run it, refresh it, it's going to be 1, 1.3, 1.4. So that's basically good score. And so this is how you speed up your website. If you have any question, suggestion, please leave in the comment, and I will be able to answer it probably as soon as possible. Thank you for watching this video. Please like, share, and subscribe to my channel.